Hey guys, I wanted to walk you through how I found the new Hilary Hahn recordings for the Suzuki method. I'm on my MacBook Pro in the music software of it's from Apple. This is how you get it from Apple. You can get it the same way on an iPad. I'm going to go to the store. Maybe I can just browse here. Okay, so I'm going to look here. Suzuki Hilary Hahn. We want to support these recordings as opposed to the Bill Prusel recordings because Bill Prusel was a Me Too problem. All right, so this is where you can find volume 1. It's $9.99, and then you can just sync it to your other devices. If you're ready for volume 2, here we go. Volume 3, here you go. Okay, hey guys, this is where you can find the Hilary Hahn MP3s on Amazon. Go to the search bar and simply type in Hilary Hahn Suzuki, and it will pull up this MP3 volume 1. That is what you're going to need if you're in book 1, obviously. And you can buy the album. I would recommend that rather than subscribing and having to pay for it more than once potentially. And you could dig a little further for volume 2 and 3, but I'm fairly certain. There you go. There's volume 2. And not Bill Prusel. Don't support Bill Prusel. He's a Me Too problem. Look for the one that says Hilary Hahn. These say Suzuki. Let me see if I can find, let's see, Suzuki 3. Let's see if that comes up. You can get the book and CD, so for those of you who still have CD players in your cars, you could do that, but here's the volume 3. So see, not too much work. I found it in under 30 seconds.